Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video we're going to talk about an English proverb, and that is about time, procrastination, not being lazy, these kind of things. Of course the next video is also going to be about something similar. So let's start with this one. Don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. So this is an English proverb said to people who delay doing what they do. If you know someone or if you are one that is like this, people tend to tell you this sentence, or people might tell you the same thing or the same thing in your language. They say don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. And that means do whatever you can do now, and because tomorrow you've got other things to do, then tomorrow you'll have more time to get involved with things that you want to do, because tomorrow you might have something to do that you don't know now. Something might happen and make you busy for tomorrow. So tomorrow is not predictable, so tomorrow might be a very busy day. So do whatever you can do today and let tomorrow be empty of your today's work. Okay, none of your work, none of things that you're going to do is for today, left for tomorrow, so that tomorrow you are free for tomorrow's job. Okay, so if someone is delaying doing things that he can do right away, just procrastinating, just being lazy, just doing unnecessary things, we can say this sentence to them and advise them and invite them to use their energy in a better way. Alright, so now let's look at my examples and see if they can help understand this a bit more. Of course you've got it, haven't you? Think so. Alright, let's look at this. First, over here, the example. Instead of don't, I've used never. You can use don't or never. Never put it off till tomorrow what you can do today. Doesn't make the meaning different and is the same thing. So you can say don't put, or you might tell someone you shouldn't put off. So you can change it negative with don't put, with the put and the verb with don't, shouldn't, never, or other ways, according to your sentence. Based on, it depends what your sentence is, who you're talking to, how you want to say that. You must not. Maybe you want to say that way. You shouldn't. Maybe you want to say it that way. Depends on the situation. So you know the grammar, then you have options. Doesn't change the meaning of the proverb. Okay. And also over here, until, you might say till, or you might say for tomorrow. It can be different. You might hear it in a different way. So just be aware that this is it. So neither they are wrong nor you. So they are all correct, used different ways, don't worry. Alright, so now let's look at the example. Never put off for tomorrow, over here you can see for. Never put off for tomorrow what you can do today. A year from now, you may wish you had started today. Okay, so a year from now means whatever the date is today, just add a year to this. Today is the 11th of September 2016. So in 11th September 2017, you may wish you had started 11th of September 2016. Okay, so this is it. So you might, that is what the meaning is. The person is imagining a year from now and thinking that this might happen, so advises the person not to put off till tomorrow, because it is not always tomorrow. When you say I'll do that tomorrow or later, it might not be tomorrow, it might be postponed or delayed for another week or another month, or sometimes you miss the chance and you, after a year, you realize you didn't do that day and you forgot it, and it's now a year after that. Okay, so that's why the person just goes further in time and tries to make the person who is advising, makes the person being advised think of future. Imagine what impact it can have on his life. Okay, this is mainly for just to advise people, just to work. All right. Now let's look at this one. I found it somewhere in a web page. This was written under that. James A. Missioner. I think this sentence is from him, and it's a funny one. It says, "Don't put off till tomorrow what you can do today, because if you enjoy it today, you can do it again tomorrow." That's nice. Yeah, that is true. If you do something today and do not leave it for tomorrow, then tomorrow you have the chance to do it again. You might mess it up, you have the chance to correct it tomorrow. You might enjoy it, you have the chance to enjoy it again tomorrow. So, anyway, these are my examples. If you've got some more, or if you have the equivalent of this in your language, I would be grateful if you would comment it below this video so that I can learn those things in your language, see what you say to talk about this thing. Okay, thank you for your help, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.